Hi everyone, today I'll cover how to remove footnotes or footer from Google Doc in this video. First, go to your Google Doc and you will see multiple files here and just select your required files. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see empty space here. By double-clicking on empty space, footer option will be appeared. Now I'm writing random text so that I can show you how to remove it. Then click on blue colored option. It will show you three options: footer format, page numbers, remove footer. In footer format, you can merge in your header, footer, and change your layout. If you select page numbers, you can change the position of header and footer. Also can change page numbers. But if you select remove footer, your footers will be gone immediately. Or there is another way you can remove it. Simply delete your text by clicking backspace, then take your cursor out of your file and click left button of your mouse, and here your problem has solved.